All right, guys, so I'm deep in the basement and I want to share with you something today that's very cool. Very few people know, and that's because there's a device down there that is protecting your hot water heater from blowing up and destroying your whole home and doing a ton of damage. It's right here. Here's the unsung hero. This is called a T&P relief valve. It's right here. I bet a lot of us have had them drip over the years and we're like, whoa, what an annoying thing. Why don't they make that better? Well, it's actually doing an amazing job. Now, it's called T&P because it actually protects the water heater from damage from temperature, high temperatures, or high pressures, both at the same time, all mechanical, no electronics. So the temperature that it normally will activate at is about 210 degrees. It's written right here on these little like metal plates that go on top of the valve. So at 210 degrees, it will activate, and the pressure is 150 psi. That's standard. So as I said before, this relief valve actually monitors two things. The first thing is temperature. This is probably the coolest. So this is actually inserted into your tank. You can see it would go right there. And this sensor right here detects if it exceeds 210 degrees Fahrenheit. If it does, it actually forces that spring open. And the cool thing is you can see this happen if you apply heat that exceeds 210 degrees to the sensor. That's number one. Number two is it also measures pressure. So if the pressure in this tank exceeds 150 psi, the pressure actually pushes this valve open against that spring and opens the valve and will release that pressure, hopefully avoiding any huge tragedy in your home. So let me actually show you how that heat sensor works. So what's the takeaway from this video? Well, that's really simple. If you love your TP valve, it'll love you back. Meaning, if it leaks, if it drips, if it's malfunctioning, get it replaced, guys. Protect your family, please. And when you're done with that, guys, go check out that video. I'll put one right there for you. It's a good one.